Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, so that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is another great day because we got a huge IPSY envelope, which means that we just received our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And this is something that we get an opportunity to choose 3 products out of the 5 full-size products that we get in our box. And let's get started. So starting with the pouch that we receive, this is never part of the count of the 5. This is something that IPSY does for us in our bags. It is a little tote that you have the pull strings. This one this month has this fantastic smiley face on one side and then the regular plain, if you want to call it that, gorgeous watercolors on the other. This is a really, really beautiful bag. All right, let's get started. So it comes with a card, but inside the card, there's just some information that is important, but it has nothing to do with the bag. This is telling us that it's a cheat sheet that tells us all about AHA's hyaluronic acid, why it's used, when it works. It's really, really great and informative. So that's a good card to get inside. However, for me, I need the information. So as you know on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, I take a picture for Instagram. And if you're not following me there, you should. It's free there also. And there's always some great information there that I share with you as well. And it's Truewants with the number 2. I have my notes in front of me because what I do is when we go through all of this at the beginning of the month, because I share that with you too on the 2nd when we do our choices, I then go in to see if there's any deals or anything going on that when my bag comes in, if I fall in love with the product, sometimes there's some discount codes and things within the website at the beginning of the month. So I try to grab all that information so that I have it here. All right. So starting with the first item that IPSY actually chose for me, it's from this brand called Polaar. And this is a new brand to me. It's called the Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream. And a lot of you were sharing with me in the comments after we did the, sneak peeks and spoilers in reference to what was in our bags, that a lot of you got this as well. So if you've had the opportunity to use this, please share it in the comments down below. So this, they're saying, has a value of over $57, and they're saying this is a full-size face moisturizer. It's saying it will help improve skin elasticity. It will deeply moisturize, and it helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It will leave your skin luminous, and it is also an anti-aging cream. They're saying it truly does it all. Massage it into your clean face, neck, and chest both morning and night. They're saying it's also vegan, cruelty-free, and made with all natural ingredients. About the brand, they're saying it's made to help save your skin in extreme cold. That's why it's called Polaar, with 2 A's, for Arctic as well as Antarctica. It quenches your thirsty skin with ingredients found almost exclusively in these 2 harsh environments. So that makes sense for a lot of you guys. Right now I'm in Florida, so that really doesn't affect me. But what's going on and we're seeing on the news, it is crazy the way the weather is this season. So this, I think, is going to come in handy for a lot of you guys. So this is what it looks like here. I do not smell a scent on it, and it looks like it is a very thick moisturizing cream. So that is what that looks like there. So excited to have the opportunity to have this in my stash, to be able to try a new brand to me. The next one was one that I saw, I really didn't watch a lot of people, but there was one person that opened this up, or it might have been on Instagram, and it is from this brand called Girlactick. It came in this box here, and it looked so intriguing. And when I saw it in my bag, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. This is called the Cranberry Sugar-Free Scrub. They're saying this is a $26 value. They're saying it's a face exfoliator. They're saying it will gently face scrub. Use little exfoliation with cranberry seeds to help buff away dull, dead skin cells and build up, along with nourishing Rosa centifolia extract to help smooth out rough, uneven texture, and antioxidants to help burst your glow. And it's saying to use this, just apply an even layer to your clean, damp skin. Leave it on for up to 5 minutes. Then rinse well with warm water and then pat your skin dry. They're saying this is also an animal-friendly formula. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And about Girlactick, it says it was conceived with a single goal in mind: to create quality, luminous must-haves that last. So this is what this looks like here. The top here is this is all plastic, but it's like a harder plastic, and I had to figure out how to open this up. And I used a little bit of a tweezer to get it lifted a little bit at the beginning, because I'm going to open it this way to you guys, because this was when I opened it to take the picture, I was so blown away. So I'm hoping it's going to do the same to you guys. Do you see this here? It looks almost like a strawberry jam. It's like so intriguing, and you can see the cranberry seeds in there as well. And when you smell it, it smells so scrumptious, like you want to eat it. So really, really, really excited to have the opportunity to try this. So this will be on my sink tonight to give it a whirl. So if you had the opportunity and you got this as well, please share in the comments down below, but really excited about that. The next item that we got in the box that I chose for myself was a new brand to me as well, and it's called Formula Z. And this was one that I thought would be a lot of fun because it's from, I'll read to you about it. This one here, and then this is the product that is inside. And when I opened it up, there was a mirror inside. There is also, the names are on the back here as well as on the actual product here. And these are the gorgeous colors that are inside here as well. So this one, what it says, they're saying this is the Cosmic Glitz palette. They're saying it is $25. They're saying this is complete with 6 gorgeous shades, from shimmery blues and purples to neutral mattes. This palette is the perfect addition to your makeup collection, and you can use it all year long. It says you can use your fingers or an eyeshadow brush to apply and blend these shades to your lids. You'll love it. It's 100% vegan as well as cruelty-free. And they're saying Formula Z was founded by a teen who is a makeup artist and an entrepreneur. His name is Zach, and he has the belief that makeup should be all-inclusive, empowering, and a form of self-expression for everyone. Is that not exciting that a teen, named Zach decided to come out with his own makeup brand? And already he is being featured in an IPSY bag, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So let's do some swatches and see what this formula is all about. So the first one here, and they're hard to read because it's like a mirrored thing. One is called, I think, Astro, then Saturn, then Eclipse, Galaxy, Rocket, and Zodiac. So we got a theme going on here. So let's see what these first 3 look like here. And let me do it above where we did the cream. They're swatching beautifully. That is what this looks like here. And then we'll do the bottom 3. So what I like about this is there's 2 mattes in here that to me are perfect for your transition as well as deepening up the outside. And then you can play with the colors that are inside. So 2 of the ones that we just did, the first one here seemed more like a satin shimmer, and these feel a little bit grittier. So let me just do these on top here. Yeah, that's exactly what they are. So 2 of these are a little bit glittier, and let me just do the matte one here one more time. And that's what that looks like there. So as you can see, there is a lot of glitter on this guy here. So these 2 on the bottom are very glittery, but that makes sense. This is a formula that is developed by a teen, and the glitters and shimmers are all the rage for that age group. So I think that is absolutely fantastic. Not that not every age group can use it, but for me, those are 2 colors that for me, because I wear glasses and there's a lot of fallout and things like that, I stay away from those type of glitters, but I love the satin glimmers, and I always try to give them as a pop of color in the middle of my eyes. The next item in here is one that I have shared with you on my channel before, and it is one that I am so excited is in the box as well. And this is from Korres, and it is their Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser. This is a $26 value on its own. It's a full size. It has over 5 ounces in here. And they're saying this is a gentle cream to foam cleanser that removes your face makeup, even the waterproof kind. Dirt and excess oil helps reduce redness, all without stripping your skin of moisture. The star ingredient in here is Greek yogurt that's rich in nourishing prebiotics and probiotics, and it is essential vitamins and minerals. Gently massage a dime-sized amount into your wet skin, rinse well with warm water. It's all cruelty-free, so it's never been tested on animals. And about Korres, it harvests their plants and flowers that have grown in the wild of Greece for thousands of years to create a good for you skincare. And also with Korres, everything that they do, it's like almost done in an apothecary shop. And then the formulas in this are always so rich. And if you get a product to them from even their bath care line, their scents are so pure. It's like what you would think lavender smelled like. When they do something lavender, it is completely different. Their scents to me are like so rich. But with this product, I don't think there was a scent at all. I'm just gonna put a little bit over here so you guys can see. It is truly like putting a beautiful moisturizer on your skin. And you know I'm a combo girl. And for some reason, this product and every product I have tried from Korres has really been very nourishing and hydrating without creating my skin to be more oily. It is really, really a fantastic brand. So if you have an opportunity to try any Korres products, I recommend them highly. And like I said, this is one that I purchased in the past. And even when this was available in the add-ons, before it was a pop-up, I was able to grab a couple of these because I really, really enjoy this brand. So keep your eyes open for this brand that's called Korres. Really, really great. And then the last item in here is one that intrigued me. And I don't know if you guys had the opportunity to get this one too. It is a brand new brand to me, but they're saying it is one that could be used on your eyes, on your lips, and on your cheeks. And it's saying it's in the color called Ballet Slipper, but I don't know if I would call this Ballet Slipper, but we're gonna swatch it and we're gonna take a look. So it came in this box here, and the component inside is this one here. And let's read about it first and then we'll do some swatching. This is called the Danessa Myricks Beauty. They're saying this is the Vision Flush in Ballet Slippers. They're saying this is a $20 full-size face color. And it says, talk about a multitasker. They're saying this is a versatile liquid pigment that can be used on your eyes, your lips, and your cheeks. It provides a soft but buildable wash of matte rosy brown color. They're saying you can use the built-in applicator to apply the color and then blend it with clean fingers. They're saying it is skin-friendly formula that helps smooth the appearance of pores and fine lines. And about the brand, they're saying it is a celebrity makeup artist, Danessa Myricks, and she has continuously broken boundaries and built a world of inclusive beauty for people of all races, ages, and genders throughout her namesake brand. So this is obviously developed by a makeup artist, and she's a celebrity makeup artist, but I'm not familiar with her. So if you are, please share that in the comments down below, because it's always exciting to learn about new brands and the people that are behind them. So this is what the component looks like here. And it has this little window over here, which I think is nice as well. And let's open this up and see what it's all about. So the doe foot applicator has a bit of a tilt to it, and it looks like it has that little hole in the middle that helps keep the product in. So let's see, like on the doe foot applicator, so you don't have to dip and dip and dip. That is a gorgeous color. But like I said, when I think ballet slippers, I think more of those pinky muted tones, you know? But this is absolutely beautiful. And like they said, you can wear it on your eyes, your cheeks, or your lips. So this is really beautiful if you want to do that monochromatic look. I will definitely be playing with this, but this is really a gorgeous color. Even if it's just a lip color and you don't like to put it on your cheeks or your eyes, I think that is just stunning as well. I think this is a fantastic, fantastic bag. This is now $27.99 a month. It's free ship in the USA. And like I said, being introduced to so many new brands. I have never heard of this brand, and I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try it from Polaar. This Girlactick, I've heard of the brand, but I've never seen a product like this, so really, really excited about that. A brand new brand to me from this Formula Z. Korres, a product that I love and enjoy, and so excited to have it in my back in my stash. And then this brand new celebrity artist brand that I cannot wait to give a try as well. is I think this is a great mix of skincare and makeup, and I am just so excited to have the opportunity to play with all of these. But like I said, if you've had the opportunity to do that already, please share it in the comments down below. And that's it for today. So everybody, continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.